In this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk create hundreds of pins for Pinterest in less than 10 minutes. Before we get started, let's talk about why is Pinterest important in digital marketing. Pinterest is like a visual search engine. It's pretty much a gold mine for digital marketers. It's not just about pretty pictures. It's a tool for driving web traffic and sales. Visual content on Pinterest can amplify your brand's reach and engagement. Understanding this platform's influence is crucial to effective marketing. If you don't know by now, we are living in the age of AI, and AI is transforming the way people are creating content for Pinterest. Now with AI tools, you can bulk create pins with just a click of a button. With this approach, you can save time and maintain a constant brand image. One thing that we do want to make a note of is AI tools are useful, but you need to have the right input. So today I'm going to show you a AI pin generator, which is going to be your secret weapon for efficiency and impact. All right, what we're looking at now is pingenerator.com. So this is a platform where you can actually make hundreds of pins and auto post those pins in just a few minutes. So this platform easily integrates with Pinterest, Etsy, Shopify, WordPress, Amazon, and a few other useful sites as well. So in order to get started with this, you're going to go ahead and create your account. Once you do that, there's a couple different ways that you can bulk create pins. One way is just to enter a URL, and then the platform is actually going to scrape that website sitemap, and it's going to pull data from that website and automatically create pins on your behalf. So if we just drop the URL right in here and we click on generate pins, that's going to start the process of generating some pins. We are going to have to do some adjusting so that way we make sure we get the best final result, but this is a quick way to go ahead and get started, and there's multiple ways that you can use this platform in order to generate pins, but dropping the URL is an easy way for you to get going. All right, so after I drop the URL in there, they're going to scrape that page and they're going to pull all the images off of that web page, and this is going to give me a chance to select what images I would like to use for my pins. So I'm just going to go ahead and select whichever ones I want to use, whichever ones that I feel that will be relevant. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on done. Now, as you see, it automatically started creating pins for me. I can go in and I can start to edit these pins in order to suit my brand and the type of pin that I want to put out. So if I want to change the color and font, I can go ahead and hit the drop down, and then I can go ahead and select whatever color I want to use. And as you see, it started to change colors on all the pins that we've bulk created. And then right here at the top, it tells you how many pins that have been generated. If I want to increase this number, I can definitely do that. We're just going to leave it at 12 right now, just for the sake of the example here that we have going on. Now, as you see, some of these pins need some adjustment. So if I want to go ahead and play with the colors, I can do that. And you see the backgrounds changing on a lot of the pins that we have. And then you can go through and then select whatever color scheme that you like to use for your pins, and make sure that this matches your brand and the type of pins that you want to put out. We can also click on here where it says fix lowercase contrast text. So if you have some text in here that's in lower contrast, you can click one button and it automatically will change the color of that text. They also have a lot of templates that is inside of this platform as well. We can either decide to randomize them, or we can go ahead and click on select templates. And then they have a lot of different template packs that's already built out that we can choose from. This will also help you with bulk creating your pins, because you can start selecting different parts of your pin in order to use from their template section. So I like to go ahead and heart a lot of the ones that I like to use, so that way in the future I have some go-to template elements that I can throw inside of my pins. And as you see, there are tons of templates that you can choose from, and tons of elements as well that you can choose from. So this is going to take a lot of time out of building your pins. As you know, it can take a lot of time to build out 100 pins if that's something that you want to do. And this is definitely going to be the shortcut method in order to do that. We also have the option to randomize images. We could also upload images as well. And then we can look at all of the images that were detected from the initial scan when we drop the URL inside of this platform. We also have the option to go ahead and do a search for stock images that will be provided by Pixabay. So if I just want to go ahead and drop in cleaning, as you see, images come right up that we can start using inside of our pins. They also have an option for you to use stock videos and also upload videos. Videos are starting to pick up a lot of steam on Pinterest. So if you're looking to make pins that have video content inside of them, this is a great platform for you to start developing those pins in bulk. Then they also have an AI section as well that will help you generate content for your pins. You can simply go ahead and drop keywords directly into the platform and will automatically start to create titles and content for your pins on the fly. Then they also have the bulk section as well. So if you want to create a massive amount of pins and then you want to use the bulk settings, you can set the title, the descriptions, the outbound links, you can set the URL text. Everything can be done right from this platform. If you like to zoom in on your pins, you can use the slider right here, which will go ahead and create a zoom for you. And then once all of your pins are complete, you can go right up here to the top where it says schedule all pins. You're going to go ahead and give access. You'll decide which Pinterest board that you want to post on, and then you can go ahead and schedule your pins to go out, whether you want to do 1 or 2 a day, or if you want to do them once a week. You can do all of your scheduling right here from this platform. All right, so there you go, a quick overview of a way to bulk create hundreds of pins in just a few minutes. This is going to be super valuable if you're trying to grow your Pinterest account in a short amount of time. You're going to need a tool like this in order to bulk create your pins if you're not trying to spend money to have somebody create pins for you and also do the scheduling. This is definitely going to be the route that you probably want to go. If you're not using AI to build your business, you are just going to get left behind. Hopefully this video helps you out when building your Pinterest account. I'll make sure I leave a link in the description of this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment. I'll be happy to get back to you and answer them for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. New videos just like this drop every single week. I'm trying to help as many people as possible become successful online this year. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.